Live from KPRC, this is Channel 2 News Today.
Now, what else looks good? This pizza that is staring at us. Of course, pizza, one of those foods, are good any time of day.
Yeah, it includes all the major food groups, right? You got your cheese, your vegetables, your dough,
Exactly.
extra cheese. All right, next, a chef will join us to show us how to spice up the common pizza, all as we look forward to National Pepperoni Pizza Day. Can't wait.
Welcome back. You may not know, but next Wednesday is National Pepperoni Pizza Day. And this morning, Chef Anthony Russo of Russo's Restaurant here to show us how to spice up that typical pizza.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Chef.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
Pepperoni is great in the morning for breakfast,
Yes.
lunch,
Cold,
dinner, whatever you want. Cold,
frozen.
2 o'clock in the morning. Pizza's great all day long.
All day long.
All day long. It's yummy, good stuff.
I love it.
It's got to be quality pizza. It's got to be made right.
Exactly. So let's jump right in. We're going to make some pizza.
Yeah, I got fresh dough. Make our dough fresh deli in our restaurant. All locations at Russo's make fresh homemade dough with extra virgin olive oil.
Do you toss it
great
up
flour.
too?
We toss it up. We use great mozzarella cheese.
Fresh.
Great,
Everything's so
everything
fresh.
Yeah, made to order. And you can see a big giant pizza. How beautiful
big it
this
is.
pizza
Yes.
is.
We've got
It's
the
gorgeous.
size here.
In the box. It's great for any party, football games, home party,
This
birthday
is what
parties.
you need.
You know, it's great for any event, and we deliver. So we'll make our sauce in-house fresh too. That's a secret. It's good sauce,
Secret
good
ingredients.
cheese, great dough made fresh daily. You know, you get one bite and you can see the difference, taste the difference. It's so wow. But our sauce is made with fresh herbs. So I'm gonna put some sauce in a pizza. Here we go.
What's the sauce to cheese ratio, would you say, is the best?
It's all the best. It's got to be done right from start to finish. You know, the base is your good flour and the right ingredients to make your dough, so you get the nice crispy crust. You know, rolled thin.
Right. You don't want too much sauce because
then the sauce is really great
soggy.
too, and you can smell the basil and the fresh herbs.
It does smell so
and the olive
delicious.
oil. Yeah, you don't find any place you make sauce from scratch anymore, but we do it every day, and it's great quality stuff. And you can see the colors, red, robust. I can see the basil, the parsley, and the garlic.
Smell it.
And then the cheese, I use the best cheese.
We'll grab some.
Yeah, there you go. Good mozzarella, shredded mozzarella. Yeah, go, you can put some on. Good.
Oh,
yeah, help me.
looks good.
See, we're making New York style pizza here at the show.
York,
New York
baby.
style
New
pizza.
York.
That's right, yes. Nothing like New York style pizza. You know, thin crust.
Thin crust,
You know,
nice.
made fresh to order.
You gotta fold it when you eat it,
That's
people.
right. You want that oil dripping down your hand and go manja. Let's eat.
Exactly. All right, we've
beautiful
got
cheese
some
mozzarella.
different types of pizzas that you brought here for
well,
us.
I got
You guys have a
truffle.
huge variety.
Our menu is great. We got pasta on our menu, salads, great gourmet pizzas. This is our new pizza. It's a portobello mushroom with truffle olive oil. And you can smell the truffle olive oil.
Smells delicious.
Then I have here our prosciutto and fig pizza, which is yummy with fresh arugula. The prosciutto di Parma and fresh figs, which is really great pizza.
Fresh figs?
Yeah, the sauce is based with fresh figs. It's
my
delicious.
goodness.
Yeah, it's really good. Then our menu, you know, we make homemade mozzarella in our stores.
So you just go there and get some
And we
mozzarella.
got, you know, great pasta dishes, lasagna, big ziti, fettuccine alfredo, all these great Italian entrees that we serve in our restaurants, all throughout
delicious.
Houston.
I'm going to put some
which is
pepperoni
awesome.
on here. Let's talk about the different locations, too, because you guys have
Location,
a ton.
and we just opened in Fairfield. A new store opened about 2 or 3 weeks ago. One in Chimney Rock and Westheimer. And there's location out in Firethorn, out in Katy. So we have like 23 stores throughout Houston.
Check them out.
Every store, there's no shortcuts.
I got to vouch for it. We came down here from New York, and we love this pizza. This is definitely what it tastes like back
memories,
home.
right? It does. It does.
Brings me home memories.
That's right. Yes, it does.
Makes me feel all warm inside. All right,
and we
Chef.
got great lunch specials daily, starting at $6 and up. And so we deliver. And our website is www.nypizzeria.com.
All right, I love it. Thank you. Bon appetito. You can find all this info and a replay of this segment online at click2houston.com. We'll post it under the video tab on our homepage after the show. Cambrell?
All right. Oh, good weather for pizza. I get it. Celebrating pizza and cheeseburger day, all of that stuff.